Whoa! So I see what's going on outside. Would you look at that? It's thunderstorming. Oh my god. It really is thunderstorming. I mean, well, I can't hear the thunder, but look at all of that rain. That is absolutely amazing. Oh my god, it's such a wonderful sight. Oh my god, it's such a wonderful sight. Fans of Foxy, what are you doing? Nothing. I'm just admiring this beautiful time. So beautiful. For you should check it out. Check what out? Whoa, wait a minute. Let me see. Oh my god. That's amazing.
I know.
This is absolutely fantastical. My god. Whoa, where the heck did the sun just come from? Why is it getting brighter?
I know, it just started raining.
Hi, Mr. Tree. How's your day, Mr. Tree?
How come on the ground it looks like it's snowing? You know, it looks like it has a snowstorm on the ground, but instead it's actually raining. And finally it just got brighter.
That makes no sense. Can I try making it darker?
No.
Okay, I made it a bit darker.
Oh, it's still white on my eyes.
Oh, I just made it really bright. See?
What's that?
Okay, guys, I'll put it back to normal. I was just messing with the settings. So beautiful. I just can't stop looking at it, Freddy. Well, you need to get back to your schoolwork. No!